behalf of Goa Sudara, we take this pleasure in distributing the PPEs for the front warrior liners. Okay, they are doing a commendable job, and because of that, Goa Sudara has come forward to donate these PPEs to the doctors, the nurses, and the class 4 people. Once again, I must thank them and may God bless Goa Sudara for taking this initiative and distributing all these PPEs.
Hello here, and during this pandemic time, we thought this is the right time to help the frontliners. Now here we are giving more concentration on the class 4 workers, like we have the cleaners and attendants and the nurses, and Goa Sudara is doing a commendable job, and we look forward for more help at this hour. Thank you so much.
How many?
These are now about 100 for Margam COVID, and we are looking forward to distribute another 100 to the north side very soon.